Focusing on a specific area as a real estate agent leads to better quality leads and higher conversion rates. A CRM can help organize contact information and prioritize leads. Integrating local neighborhood data into the CRM can create relevant and engaging marketing campaigns. Understanding local neighborhood data allows for better knowledge of the target audience and the local real estate market, which can lead to customized marketing strategies. Collecting key neighborhood data such as demographics, marketing trends, property values, amenities, attractions, schools, and community events can improve client engagement and retention. To learn more on this topic, head to easyagentpro.com/blog or click the link attached to this video.